Hello guys, welcome back to class. Today we're going to be looking at 3 simple steps in Bolzano's bisection method. When you're doing Bolzano bisection method in numerical analysis, I'm going to show you 3 basic and very simple steps in getting your solution, your root to the function. Now let's assume that they give us a function f of x as this, and they gave us the interval as a to b. Now the first step is, this is my interval. So first of all, I'm going to look for my f of a multiplied by my f of b. If this is less than 0, then those two intervals, the root lies between the two intervals. Secondly, the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the midpoint of these two intervals, the midpoint, and I'm going to have something like, let me assume my x1 to be the midpoint here. That is x1 is going to be b minus a over 2. So b minus a over 2. Now this is the second step. Then the third step in calculating the root of a function, when a function is given to you, to use numerical analysis to calculate the root of the function using Bolzano. So using Bolzano's bisection. The third one, I have 3 cases here. The first case is this. My f of x, my f of x1, that's the midpoint between these two intervals. My f of x1, if it is less than 0, then the root lies between, the root goes like this. That is, when f of x1 is less than 0. But when f of x1 is greater than 0, the root lies here. So this side is when it's greater than 0. This side is when it's less than 0. Then when the root there of f of x1 is equal to 0, then f of x1, when it's equal to 0, then your x1 here is the root of the function. Your f1 is the root of the function. With these 3 basic steps, you can use it and get the numerical solution for any function under the Bolzano bisection method.